Okay, so this is the new, actually, finish for the Colt Anaconda. New for these series is also the fact that any Colt revolver that has a adjustable rear sight, a target sight, can be retrofitted with a optics ready attachment. And as a matter of fact, we're going to try this gun today and see how it goes.
Well, we can't leave it, with it, here with it. We can't bring it back. I mean, you want to give me a freedom stick? There we go. Get stuff in my carry on. Yeah, I like it. I always love shooting stuff. Hey. I like it. I like it. Can't change AR, but that's. That's what I was asking. Some upgrade. Like I said, that little roof variant changes.
An extremely swell gun.
I like